Hello and welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Garage Life, and in this episode we make a quick service in my daily car. About this daily, in October it will be 10 years in my hands. It's good car. 2.0 diesel, 6-speed manual, front wheel drive. It takes from point A to point B, so good fuel economy. And yeah, I think it's good. Right now we change here oil filter and air filter. Maybe if I find, I will change fuel filter also. Then need to change winter tires. Here was good Continental winter tires, but did bought this Volkswagen Touran, and then needed good tires to there, and did take from Audi because tire dealer was on holiday. But now it's opened, and now we install here also good winter tires. So let's start working. Today we have one Volkswagen Golf MK4 here. I did change this engine here in December last year, and now need to change steering pump and some other little maintenance, but that's not what I wanted to speak about. When I did look this engine, I did came to idea that maybe need to make one Volkswagen R32 swap also, because I have everything to
install it in Volkswagen Golf, Bora or something like that. So just fast easy swap, 1-2 weeks and done. And then to sell this car, maybe it's easier than to sell complete engine. But yeah, that's one idea what I have. Did look some MK4s with 2.8 VR6 engine. That there it would be really easy swap to change it to 3.2. But their prices are high. You can find them from 2.3 from Lithuania, but in Estonia they are like 4,000 and more euros. So yeah, I need to think. But Boras you can get 4-wheel drive like 1,300 euros. So that's not so bad price. So here is a little bit thinking what to do. So yeah, but that plan I have. So need to think a little bit. Leave a comment what you think about this plan and what car would be nice. Don't comment that Golf MK2 Synchro or something like that, because that's not possible to find here. And just a fast swap, 1-2 weeks and done, would be only reasonable. So yeah, this is one idea that will be fun, I think. Here we have one other B7, and this car is not so lucky because it had some small contact with the tree, and the door and the front fender was damaged. I can show you the front fender. Here you see the front fender. It was with a really small speed. First did look that nothing hard, just need to change the front wing, front light and the door. But after removing the front fender, discovered that some problems with the car body also. Nothing too big, small work. And yeah, car owner did take me this machine to work with the body to make it good again, and I did that. Here was the problem. I can show you the picture what it was before, and now it's a lot better. Not perfect, but the wing fits nicely. And yeah, and it's a really nice tool if you have some accident and need to work with the car. All the frame is under the car. I did not use the rear mounts because it was so small accident that the car stayed in the place when I did take out this metal. And here is the door. Here also I did change engine last summer. The original engine was over 500,000 kilometers, and it was not good anymore. So owner did get used engine from Sweden, and now it's driving again. So that's interesting job, I think, again, to work with the body. Next room I have this small VR6 factory. I have worked also with B4. That will be in the next video. I wanted to upload B4 video earlier, but guy who paints my engine bay is in COVID, so I can't paint the engine bay right now. Yeah, I wanted to finish this end of this week, but yeah, that's not problem. In next video will be about B4 again. That's all for this video. I need to finish this B7 clean this workshop and they then start working with other cars. Yeah, so it is. So stay on channel. B4 content is coming soon. I hope to paint this engine bay and then start installing parts back. Can't wait to get some more space to my workshop again. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment what you think, like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!